Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture of the subject insurance, we will be going through different types of insurance which are included into unit number 3, which is entitled as general insurance. So, what are the different types of insurances which are included into unit number 3? See, primarily motor insurance, personal accidental and sickness insurance, health insurance, student insurance, okay, then rural insurance, then okay, um, different types of schemes related to life insurance and general insurance. Okay, so we will go through all these types of insurances. Okay, some we will cover in today's lecture, some we will cover in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, so let's see the first type of insurance, that is motor insurance. See, what is motor insurance? Motor insurance is a contract between, yes, motor insurance is a contract between the policyholder, that is the insured, and the insurance company, in which the protection it is given in which the protection it is given to the subject matter, okay, that is motor vehicle. Okay, see, what is motor insurance? Motor insurance is an insurance policy that covers the policyholder in case of financial losses resulting from an accident or other damages sustained by the insured vehicle. Okay, see, what is motor insurance? The motor insurance is a contract between motor owner and insurer to give insurance cover against damages to the motor car by accident or creating third party liability. Okay, the motor car being a property which may be destroyed in an accident, okay, or maybe be causing destruction due to fire by accident, okay, and loss to the property, that is the motor vehicle, and body injury to the person or resulting into death. Okay, see, whenever whenever we consider motor insurance, okay, whenever we consider motor insurance, what happens? See, in motor insurance, okay, different types of vehicles they are covered. Okay, different types of vehicles they are covered. What happens? See, okay, whenever we are carrying our vehicle on the road, okay, there are n number of factors, okay, which can destroy our vehicle. Is it, for example, if we are driving the vehicle, is it, we can meet with an accident. Okay, in that accident, the property, that is the vehicle, yes, the vehicle can be easily destroyed by accident. There can be damages to your motor vehicle, is it, or the second thing is that, okay, for example, you are driving your vehicle, okay, for example, you are driving your vehicle, and when you were driving your vehicle, at the time someone comes before your vehicle, is it, someone comes before your vehicle, is it, and that person is injured due to your vehicle, or, okay, the third thing, you are driving your vehicle, and if someone or other motor vehicle it collides with you, then yes, in all these cases, what happens is, okay, you will be incurring heavy damages, okay, you will be incurring, okay, heavy expenditure, right, heavy expenses. So to cover all these expenses from all these incidences itself, okay, a insurance which is, or a insurance policy which is drafted, it is called as motor insurance policy. Okay, so motor insurance is an insurance policy. Motor insurance is an insurance policy which covers the policyholder in case of financial losses resulting from an accident or other damages sustained by insured vehicle. Okay, see, motor insurance is a contract between motor owner and the insurance company. Is it? What is the contract about? The contract is about, yes, securing or protecting the vehicle against such type of damages. Even it does covers, okay, even it does covers the financial losses, okay, which might be resulting due to the accident. Okay, for example, if the motor owner is injured, if a third party, that is a person who comes before your vehicle, if this person is injured, okay, all these things, okay, is covered under motor insurance policy. Okay, so let's see the coverage which is provided under motor insurance. Okay, see, three types of coverages they are offered under motor insurance. Okay, three types of coverages they are offered under motor insurance. What are those? First one is, yes, act policy. Okay, that is act only policies. What is act only policy? See, the name explains the purpose and scope of the policy. Yes, it is compulsory, okay, thereby all owners of vehicles, okay, who ride the vehicles must, okay, as per the Motor Vehicles Act, they should be insuring their vehicle. Okay, in which the amount of coverage, okay, yes, amount of coverage is also mentioned. Okay, in India, both the risk of body injury to the third party and to the person who is driving the vehicle can be covered under a single policy. Okay, then third party insurance, okay, third party insurance or third party policy, okay, that is also covered. That is, say if you are driving the vehicle, if you are driving the vehicle and somebody comes before your vehicle, somebody comes before your vehicle, okay, say this person who comes before you, this is the third party. Okay, if he is injured due to your vehicle, you are liable to pay his expenditure, right? Okay, now when such type of policy you have, okay, the insurance company will be compensating you for such type of expenditures, okay, so that it will be easier for you to compensate the loss. Okay, then the comprehensive policy. Okay, what is comprehensive policy? Yes, this policy covers all the risks to be insured arising out of legal liability to the third parties under Motor Vehicle Act, total accident and common law. It also covers loss or damage to vehicle. Okay, comprehensive means including everything. Okay, so whenever we consider the comprehensive policy, it includes following risks. First, damage to the car and parts of the body, then removal charges for the repair, okay, then third party liabilities, then cost and expenses incurred with the risk, then repairing charges, then the medical expenses. Okay, all these things they are covered under motor insurance. Okay, getting it? So when it comes to motor insurance, okay, what are the things which are covered? Yes, three things are covered. Okay, which are those? First is act only, that is, it is quite compulsory for every vehicle as per the Motor Insurance Act to insure their vehicle. Is it? Then third party, the person who comes before your vehicle, is it, for that person, for compensating the injuries which happens to that person, this policy is taken. And the third one is comprehensive. Yes, which includes everything. So in motor insurance, which vehicles are covered? Okay, see, three types of vehicles they are covered. First is private cars, then the second is motorcycles, then the third one is commercial vehicles. Okay, which further includes, okay, in private cars, social, domestic and pleasure purposes, professional or business purposes. Okay, such type of private cars are included. Okay, in motorcycles, yes, motorcycles with or without sidecar, autocycles or mechanically pedaled cycles, motor scooters, three wheelers in valid carriage. Okay, these are all included. Then in commercial vehicles, yes, it includes goods carrying private carriers permit, goods carrying public carriers permit, then trailers, passenger carriers, buses, hotel buses, airline buses, passenger carrying vehicles, hire, miscellaneous, etc. Okay, then the second type of insurance is personal accidental and sickness insurance. Okay, personal accidental and sickness insurance. See, personal accidental and sickness insurance, what it is? Yes, whenever someone works with you, that is your employee. Okay, don't you think you are having some kind of moral responsibility related to them? Is it? Okay. So, what is the moral responsibility related to these people? Yes. See, when these people they are working with you, whenever these people they are working with you, what happens? Okay, whenever these people they are working with you, a thing which happens is, okay, a thing which happens is, what is it? Okay, whenever this person he is working with you at the time, yes, while that person he is working into your factory building, while this person he is working into your factory building, that is, whenever this person he is dealing with the different kind of machinery, whenever he is dealing with different kind of machineries. Okay, for example, the cutting machineries, is it packaging machineries and all, is it, many of the time while working on the machineries, this person might get injured, this person might get injured. Okay, so when we consider personal accident and sickness insurance, what is this? See, a insurance cover a insurance cover is taken for the employees who are working into the factories or who are working into your company. Okay, those people, those employees, those workers who are working into your organization, for these people itself, okay, such type of insurance policy is taken, in which coverage is provided, to whom? Yes, coverage is provided to the workers. Okay, against what? Against personal accident and sickness. Okay, means if these people, whenever they are handling the heavy machineries or heavy tools, equipments into your organization, if they met with any accident, if they met with any accident, then what happens? Yes, if they met with any accident, then yes, it might result into death, it might result into disablement into this community, into this worker community. So what should be done then? What should be done? See, in such cases, what you are required to do? Yes, you are required to properly, yes, care about these people, as well as, okay, see if that person, okay, who was working with you, the worker, if he was the single breadwinner of your family, then, or of that family, then, yes, what about the expenditure of he himself, as well as the poor people who are dependent upon them? Yes, it will be quite impossible, right? It will be quite impossible for this person as well as his family to make their expenditures, is it, to live, is it? So in such cases, okay, whenever you take such type of personal accident and sickness insurance, a protection is given to the worker, okay, a protection is given to the worker. And when this worker, he is working into your factory, whenever this person, he is working into your factory, at this moment itself, okay, what is to be done? Yes, at this moment itself, okay, if he meets with any accident, okay, further it results into his injury or disablement or death, okay, then the insurance company will be compensating you, and you are required, okay, as an employee, you are required to forward this amount to his dependents, is it, or he himself, if he is injured then, okay, so that, okay, he can make his expenditure through that, he can make his necessary expenditure through that, okay. And second type is sickness insurance. See, whenever the employee is working with you, at this time, okay, whenever the employee, he is working with you at this time, what happens? Yes, he might fall sick, is it, okay. So what are the reason for such type of sickness? Okay, it might be heavy pressure, it might be some health related issues, okay. Now if this person is hospitalized, then, yes, if this person is hospitalized, okay, then surely if his remuneration, his wages, they are not that enough, then he is not able to make his hospitalization expenses, is it? So at this time, if such type of sickness insurance is there, then on behalf of you, the insurance company will be paying amount of compensation to this person, so that he can do his hospitalization expenses and all, okay. See, the coverage which is provided, okay, the coverage which is provided to the insured here. Who is insured here? Insured is the worker or the employee of your organization, okay. So what is the coverage provided to him? Here the coverage provided to him itself is, okay, the coverage which is provided to him itself is, yes, what is the coverage? Against accidental death and disablement. See, whenever that person was working with you, if he meets with accident, further it resulted into death of that person, is it? In such a cases, his dependents, his legal heirs or his nominees, okay, or his family members or his dependents, okay, they will be compensated. They will be given compensation equal to the expenditure of household till they search for any other option, okay, and the company will be paying, the insurance company will be paying the amount of compensation, okay. Then the second thing, disablement. See, disablement is divided into three types. Is it permanent disablement, second total disablement, and partial disablement, okay. See, first one is permanent disablement, second one is, yes, partial disablement, okay. That partial disablement is also further, okay, divided into two types, okay, total partial disablement and, okay, temporary partial disablement and, okay, permanent partial disablement. These are the types of disablement, okay. Disablement means what? Okay, one of your organ is damaged in such a way that it can't be recovered, or it will be recovered after some period of time, or the third thing, yes, it will be never recovered, okay. See, for example, permanent disablement means, okay, the person meets with an accident, okay, and that if his brain is affected, then he will never be recovered. Second thing, if this person meets with an accident, and after some time, okay, for example, for 2 to 3 months, if he has a fracture, is it, yes, for that 2 to 3 months he will not be using that organ, okay. Then, for example, if there is a loss of one finger, one eye, is it, such type of thing, is it, means you have two eyes, one of that eye is disabled, then see, such kind of things, they are included in disablement. So whenever it comes to personal accidental and sickness insurance, okay, what is covered? Accidental death and disablement, okay. बघा, मोटर इन्शुरन्स काय आहे? मोटर इन्शुरन्स एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आहे मोटर ओनर आणि इन्शुरन्स कंपनी या दोघांमधलं तो करार आहे, कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आहे, ओके. कशाबद्दलचा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आहे हा? काय केलं जातं याच्यामध्ये? येस, जी मोटार आहे तुमची, जी मोटार व्हेकल आहे, त्या मोटार व्हेकलला प्रोटेक्शन दिलं जातं, प्लस, ओके, त्या मोटर व्हेकल जो ड्राईव्ह करणारा आहे त्यालासुद्धा प्रोटेक्शन मिळतं, आणि थर्ड पार्टी म्हणजे तुमच्या गाडीसमोर जी व्यक्ती येणार असेल किंवा जी गाडी येणार असेल, ओके, त्यालासुद्धा प्रोटेक्शन दिलं जातं, ओके. आणि फर्दर डॅमेजेस समजा झाले तर हे सर्व प्रोटेक्ट केलं जातं. देन पर्सनल ॲक्सिडेंटल अँड सिकनेस इन्शुरन्स, ओके. पर्सनल ॲक्सिडेंटल अँड सिकनेस इन्शुरन्स काय असतं हे? बघा, तुमच्या फॅक्टरीमध्ये जे वर्कर्स काम करतात किंवा तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये जे काम करतात, जे हेवी मशिनरीज, हेवी इक्विपमेंट्स, हेवी टूल्सला हँडल करत असतात, ओके. जेव्हा हे व्यक्ती तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये काम करत असतात तेव्हा बऱ्याच वेळी काय होऊ शकतं की ते ॲक्सिडेंट फेस करू शकतात, ओके. त्या ॲक्सिडेंटमधून जर त्यांची डेथ होऊ शकते किंवा त्यांचे डिसेबलमेंट होऊ शकते, ओके. म्हणजे एखादा पार्ट, एखादा ऑर्गन जो आहे तो कायमस्वरूपी किंवा काही कालावधीसाठी ते वापरू शकत नाहीत, ओके. अशा प्रकारच्या गोष्टी कशामध्ये कव्हर केल्या जातात? येस, पर्सनल ॲक्सिडेंटल अँड सिकनेस इन्शुरन्स. किंवा हा व्यक्ती खूप कालावधीसाठी जर आजारी पडला, सिक असेल, इज इट, तर ते सुद्धा कशामध्ये कवर केलं जातं? पर्सनल ॲक्सिडेंटल अँड सिकनेस इन्शुरन्समध्ये. Okay, so these are the two types of insurances which we have covered into today's lecture. Thank you.